Okay, this side is China, this side is Laos, and this side is... Okay, everyone.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, ngasi mamang video do Birmani ngasi video si akhoi na nauna mandle do koi rupagi video footage sing do nei ngasi hapsa do ise ma'am do video footage se punna miyeng tamneri hapsa rage
Hojik laijina Kyaoktao ki pagoda. Sida Buddha ki murti marble na saba world ki second largest adu layaye manung sangaga kamain to ge to utla age moi gi manung gi laiba mong do selon utle sida lai je saurak na kuntram ki thum no male line wen lai je tuga sidai sigi keno mam je laisang amam je da page amam yoi ni mana iramba like sigi library ni gumban hai da moi gi Buddhist na iramba writing sing ji ya kuch au jeng wa si jaga le yam phajana preserve to tha men moi hai 1865 hai male moi na hai na sai gi ba si entrance fain chang ga khun chang jaga nen dei sin da kwai chau ba jaga am le re aduga laisang amam de oi ba iri ba script page sing ji di am ta mana de aduga si moina e river Buddha gi writing ma'am je chimha pu wangamba mong che hujik pok da moina have da taraga taruk khak tang sudang ai ai sigi Buddha statue jine khoni yeng balai no this one is lang di marble na sa bani am so see marble na sarga gold like that was a Buddha ne lang ba te ri ne to ngang ni Today Sunday lakpane duga jik sonda thokadore sanju yam kanam yole pot moi jem tourist lakwanda ai limit thagat no pot yam yole yam ani paisam ta le yam pai saigi laisang kano lariki pe samamam yaw have duna se lai re aduga moigi mayai da center oina main oina chauna dai map ta ugiba achau chau ba singduna si lai re si je moi maton gai je gold topping na pure gold topping na aduga makha gai ji budi painted ne aduga maton je pura pure gold ne akoi pulap thungna ba chatpa ngamdre moi matam je yamna pidi adugi murti myam je mathang thang chat padi ngamdre aduga sonda ju chat ke di chatham di myam lai ado koi je atopa pham ju gai ju chat lui doi ne aduna nangaroi koi ji halani sona kan chat laga han bagida phajaba lai ti koi je yeng ba ba aduga thokre foreigner sing jam wange koi party gai sai lai re da enjoy lai re sida koi loya lai re adagi atai koi thokadore atai gai ayam thokna gre si thoi lai re bye bye.
What's your
Show your
name?
YouTube channel.
A Manipuri E. E-I? E-I, yeah. E-I, yeah. Space.
Morning.
M-A-N-I.
M-A-M-I.
M-A-N-I-N-N. M-A-N-I. P-U-R-I. R-I. Here it's Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah, thank you. We got one new subscriber, bro. And there are more subscribers coming. Actually, it's my family vlog.
Oh, your family?
Yeah, my family vlog. Like it's almost the vlog is run by my brother, and we are assisting him to fulfill his dreams. Yeah.
Family business.
Yeah, family business. He's from Korea.
Yeah.
Your name is?
My name is Kang.
Kang, his name is Kang. He's my new friend, and he's also from the same group.
I'm Luke.
Luke.
Nice to meet you.
Everyone, this is Luke from Korea. Which place?
Oh, which city are you guys from?
Which city?
Gwangju.
Gwangju City.
You Gwangju?
Just watch a movie about
And
that
here
taxi
is
driver.
taxi driver. There is another friend from Korea.
You know, I
I'm
was
from
watching
Korea
that movie.
and I
Okay,
live in
like
Gwangju. And my name
like
is
15 days
Sanju.
back.
Oh,
Thank you.
I was
Yeah,
like,
my friend, new friend.
New friend.
I just
you.
put that movie in.
มวยดิไปคิดอะไรยันเดอร์วินี่อย่างที่ฟงนะดูก็ห้องจามุห้องยังมวยเจลูกป้าเอ็งกับปีลูกป้าสิ1750กันเจสิเจลูกป้ากันมาตั้งเนี่ยลูกป้าจะไม่ยกเดียลูกป้า75ก็ตั้งเนี่ยสิเจแต่กี้ร้อยชัวร์ที่800กันเจสิกันเลยอย่างที่ห้องเนี่ยสิเดลูกป้ากันยกเดียยังใครยกเดีย Now is summer, you can go Ladakh now. Yeah. It's nice.
You are going to go like half the India, okay? The way.
有咧，嗰個我飲泡咁啦，挖地加嗰隻，佢那個 escalator 嚟吧，escalator 嚟嗰個，咁加咗入面啦，佢挖地揾啱位。มันดูชีได้ด้ค่อยนะตัวป้า1,000ที่ด้วยเนี่ย1,000นะเดี๋ยวค่อยไปชาตัวป้าตัวที่แค่นั้นเนี่ยตัวป้ายังใครขับกันเนี่ยเมื่อกี้ Buddhist sunset ให้เนี่ยดูเย็งแล้วเนี่ยมีอ้ำเกิดต่อเลยเลยว่าสิได้เลยจริงที่ตั้งไทยตัวนั้นมวยนุ่มเจ๊จะน่า clear อ้อยนะดีอู่ฟังเด้อตัวไอ zoom ตัวสลักเกอู่แรงวิวนุ่มเจ๊ clear อ้อยมาทำด้วยนุ่มตาอยู่ดูด้วยนี่ก็นะSorry. Ini local parliament ni sidai yung je. Lagi sidai jena hill resort ni je sauna quite ama huri je. Lagi sonda kano jena golf course lagi prison ke ga lai re. Prison. Okay, this side is China, this side is Laos, and this side is
Thailand,
okay,
Laos,
okay.
and China.
Oh, China.
Until to the
Oh,
north.
this side from okay. So na China lai ne. So na kan Thailand. Ye dum so na zat be ai. Ano la sang na to na to ai. Am na. Lại mà không khuôn này कोई पार्टी नहीं चले मिस्त्री बुढ़ा की मोटी है हम पता चल रही मुझे बुढ़ा की मोटी में हम द बुढ़ा की स्टेचू मिले रहे मैं हम जो वीडियो नमना रही आई जो नमक है Buddha statue lai re dai sidagi sana kan da mu chatoi ne akoi na sai chang kodona sidagi si entrance dai je adu sai changa ga sana kan da chatlaga moi lai ba sing no thang tangi foreigner ma'am la ga hapagi donation ma'am je ngo donation box ku ya ma mane sigi da gi mutti gi ma mang na thamme ai sida tourist ki guide ma'am na explain dori Đây Buddha ki donation box na big thal le am na Buddha ki mai ki kano ho gi dore like from ho gi dore Hello bro, how is life as a Buddhist, as a monk?
Yeah.
Little English, right?
Yeah.
Nice. How is life as a monk? How is life as a Buddhist?
Meditation.
Yeah, meditation.
Yeah.
Nice. How is your routine work? Like morning, when do you wake up? Evening, when do you
We
sleep?
get up at 5 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah.
and after that we go in carpool.
Okay.
Do you know carpool?
Well, actually, I don't know. Can you explain them? Oh, collect food. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
After that we arrive in the university and we can have breakfast.
Oh,
We have breakfast.
okay, breakfast.
Yeah, and-
Okay, nice.
And then we have to study. We can study many subjects.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Many subjects
We
like.
yes, we can learn Myanmar culture, yeah,
Myanmar.
and Buddhism.
Okay.
Yeah, and
And-
learning English.
Oh, English. Yeah,
Yeah.
English. Many of the people here in Myanmar are not
Yeah.
so good in English, right?
Yeah, and they are because they are in Myanmar. They cannot speak English. Many they are almost they cannot speak English.
Okay, like they are taught in only Myanmar language only.
Yeah.
Okay. Which language do you speak in Myanmar?
Sorry.
What language?
Burmese. How many
Oh, Burmese language.
Yes, Burmese language.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to
Thank
meet
you.
Where you from?
Well, we are from India, Manipur.
Oh yeah, Manipur. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Uh,
Yeah.
Okay, everyone.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. This is already known down the depth and the long Makaragi, Jing Maton, the lay of one in Udwini. The system lay, CJ, Zangwatam, the Kumpset, have no raking, sign up for the Zambi to go. Kumpset, Kemta, Aina come from the Langam there, and no why. Is that alright? Khangdre sakti loi Manipuri man mane ngo aduga Manipuri di moi kuina sida chahi chama hena lai gram ni na khangdre Manipuri amta moi je kate are khangnei sida